Stepping Stones Photo Gallery Tutorial. Accessing the gallery. Navigate to the Stepping Stones Photo Gallery website. Copy the password provided in your email and paste it into the login field. Click Sign In to access your child's photo gallery. Selecting images for your package. You will notice that you already have an item preloaded in your cart. Open the cart to find 7 image slots to choose from. A4 and A5 sizes, individual photos. Click Choose Image. Your child's name will appear on the right side. Click the arrow to browse the available images and select the ones you want to use. A 6 size, group photo. Select a group image. You can choose the photo that includes the teachers or opt for one without them. Passport sizes. Select the images you want to use for the 4 passport size photos. Cropping images. To adjust your photos, especially passport sizes, click Crop Image at the bottom of the selected picture. The image will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Use your mouse to scroll, enlarge, and position the image exactly where you want it. Once you're satisfied with the placement, click Save Cropping. Repeat this step for any other photos that need adjusting. Once you finish your primary selections, you can proceed directly to checkout or close the cart to browse additional featured items. Extra items include a complete gallery download of digital files, larger printouts, and 4 different types of picture frames. To purchase an additional item, e.g. an A2 size canvas wrap with an outer frame, click Buy on the item you want. Choose the image you want to place in the frame, for example, a World Champion t-shirt photo. Save the image. Note, if the image is already at the maximum size for the selected print and frame, the cropping option will not be available. Confirm the quantity. Check your cart on the right-hand side. You should now see your newly added items alongside the original school package. Checkout process. Click Checkout in your cart. A window will pop up allowing you to review and confirm all of your image crops. Click Continue to move to the billing address step and fill out your information. Review the terms and conditions. Please note that once an order is placed, it goes into production, so cancellations are only accepted within 24 hours. Add any special requests or instructions in the Order Notes/Comments section. Click Next to select your payment method. Choose the offline payment option via phone. Invoice and payment. Review your final invoice to ensure the total is correct. For example, 180,000 shillings for the package and the additional canvas. The invoice will provide the specific phone number to send your payment to, along with instructions on where to send your proof of payment. Once finished, you can click the Start button to return to the home page or log out. Managing multiple siblings. If you have more than one child and receive different email passwords for each, you can enter the second password on the Start page. This feature allows you to access both children's galleries at the same time, so you can pick pictures and manage their separate packages simultaneously. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please use the contact email or phone number provided at the bottom of the website.